Hi everybody and welcome back to Jaffa Cooks, and today I'm going to show you how to make a raspberry sauce. I'm going to basically make my raspberry sauce and then I'm going to thicken it up slightly with some corn flour. So very simple. I've got some raspberries, got some brown sugar, a little bit of water and some tablespoon of corn flour mixed in already. And there's nothing to it really. We're just going to heat it up, cool it down and it's ready. So let's get cooking. Before we start, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so. Click on the bell icon, get the latest updates. Find out what recipe I'm making today. Follow, share with your family and friends, DM me, and give me a big thumbs up. I'll wait for that thumbs up. Thanks to everybody who's been watching and subscribing. Share amongst your family and friends and get them to follow me as well. All right, so very simple. I'm going to move over to the hob, and we're just going to put this together, and within, I'd say probably about 5 or 6 minutes, you should be ready. Okay. All right, so welcome back. I've got my hob switched on. Yep, medium heat. And literally I'm just going to put a little bit of water, some sugar, and then I'm just going to pop my raspberries in. And then it's literally a waiting game. These will then start breaking down. Now I put a little bit of sugar in here for the reason because I tried my raspberries and they were a tad bit on the tart side. So my dessert itself isn't very sweet, so I've put a little bit of sugar. There's a couple of tablespoons of sugar. Do try your raspberries first. Most raspberries are a bit tart, but you do find batches of them coming out quite sweet. Do taste your coulis before you take it off the heat, just to make sure that it's sweet enough or to your desired liking. My raspberry sauce is done, but you can see it's still very watery and I do want to thicken it up. So I'm going to introduce some corn flour. Now I'm not going to pour all of this in there. I'm just going to introduce it slowly because corn flour will thicken up very, very quickly and I don't want it forming into a jelly. So there you go, see? Very quickly it forms into a thick sauce. Maybe another spoon or two in there. And I'm going to turn the heat right down, and that's basically how I want it. Vibrant colour, really nice tarty with a hint of sweetness there. I'll see you back at the serving table.